So Chris just told us that in the UK we see e-commerce has absorbed 35% of all trade. So that's a direct effect of the COVID. Another effect is that we're seeing global retailers needing to deliver great customer experiences. And that's just what we do with Atobi. Atobi is a modular retail excellence app enabling global brands and retailers to manage, motivate, train, monitor all of their thousands of retail staff across multiple locations in many different countries. So we're currently working with Nike, Diesel, Flying Tiger, Copenhagen, Boots, Camper Shoes. Intersport is rolling out Atobi in Europe. And though these logos may seem like very different companies from the outside, they have two very big problems in common. So the first is that they have thousands of young store staff manning hundreds or even thousands of locations across the world. And all of these young people, they grew up on TikTok, Snapchat, Instagram, and Facebook, not on Microsoft or SAP or other great enterprise systems that these global retailers typically use to manage their operations. So these young people just don't like these systems. They don't understand them. They don't want to use them, right? Furthermore, they don't have a PC, they don't have email, and the retailers don't have any way to reach them, train them, and engage them. The second problem, and partly to solve the first problem, is that on a digital transformation journey, retailers are introducing a number of new tools and systems that are not connected. So this actually adds to the first problem, because now these young retail store employees have to navigate another 8 to 10 different systems and apps, and they don't know where to find information. So they opt out just for using Facebook to communicate or Instagram because they understand that. So we solve that, both of these problems, because with Atobi, the headquarter country national offices and store teams, they get one platform to collaborate, train, exchange information, and speed up execution and free up time to deliver great customer experiences, which is exactly what they need, not get lost in systems. So we enable easy, effective communication across the globe and across the different levels in the chain, high engagement, proud and consistent compliance, better customer experiences, and specific sales uplift. So one of the reasons that Atobi works really well is that it's designed for people. People first. We didn't start with an enterprise, let's say logic. We started with the store staff. And then we hired the world's leading expert in gamification. So Atobi is designed to maximize motivations for a number of different motivational styles. And everybody using it get this feeling of accomplishment, higher meaning, empowerment, social influence, and ownership, which is back to you, Julian, what you also said. People really like to feel that their contribution is, let's say, appreciated, right? They like to feel that they grow. This is all what we're about, because when we can make the employees feel better, give them better lives, and feel they grow, they deliver more value to the customers and essentially to the firms. So we're seeing some really solid results. We're seeing 16% productivity improvements on district manager level, 6.4% on store manager level. This saved time translate into higher sales or improved staff cost ratio. We see customer experience improvement measured by NPS or mystery shopping from 55% to 60%. With Nike and Intersport, we have specifically seen on campaign sales an increase in product sales from between 27% to 160% on specific campaign products. And this has been proven across a number of different tests across European countries. So engaging all of the store employees and aligning them around the key organizational objectives really works.